Right, I want to talk to you about the properties of logarithms. There are three properties of logarithms: the product property, the quotient property, and the power property. The product property says that if I have log base b of m times n, so some variable m times some variable n, I can rewrite this as log base b of m plus log base b of n, and it would be an equivalent expression. Quotient property is similar. It says if I have log base b of m divided by n, I can rewrite using subtraction. I can rewrite this as log base b of m minus log base b of n. The power property says that if I have log base b of m to the p power, I can move the p out front and get p times log base b of m. So let's put these properties to work. You might see a problem like, use the property of logarithms to expand the expression as much as possible. Well, to expand an expression means to make it bigger. So I know I want to make this expression bigger. The first thing I'm noticing is that I have division. See that? And I know that if I want to make this bigger, I could take m and n that are being divided, and I could rewrite as subtraction. So I'm going to use this idea here. I don't have m and n though. I have the square root of y and 9. So I'm going to write this as log base 3 of the square root of y minus log base log base 3 of 9. Okay, well, I remember that log base 3 of the square root of y could also be written as log base 3 of y to the 1/2 power. That's because square root and 1/2 power are the same thing. I'm also realizing that log base 3 of 9 is 2 because 3 squared would give me 9. So that tells me that 3 to the 2nd power is 9, so log base 3 of 9 is 2. Okay. Now I'm realizing I have an exponent here. Well, if I have an exponent, I could use my power property and write that 1/2 out front. So I'm going to take the 1/2 that was written as an exponent, and I'm going to write it out front. So let's do that. Well, now I have the expression 1/2 log base 3 of y minus 2. Alright, one more. I'm going to condense the expression to a single logarithm. So this time, instead of making my expression bigger, I'm going to make it smaller. Check it out. I have a 9 out front here. So I'm going to use my power property. Very handy property. Using it a lot. Power property. The 9 out front, I'm going to go the other direction now. I'm making things smaller, so I'm going to write it as an exponent. Here we go. Oops. I'm going to get log base, not even log, natural log of x plus natural log of y to the 9th power. Okay, so now I have addition. Well, I know for addition I can use the product property. See the plus sign there? Well, I can condense this expression down if I rewrite multiplying my m and my n. So let's do that. So instead of m, I have x, and instead of n, I have y to the 9th. So I get natural log of xy to the 9th. Isn't that lovely? Okay, much smaller than before.